Friends, India offers you democracy, demography, demand, as well as diversity, such as our diversity that you get multiple markets within one market. This comes with multiple pocket size and multiple preferences. This comes with multiple weathers and multiple levels of development. This diversity also comes with open minds and open markets in a democratic, inclusive, and law-abiding system. Friends, I'm aware that I'm addressing some of the best financial brains, the ones who can convert new areas of innovation and growth into sustainable business propositions. At the same time, I'm conscious of your requirement to provide the funds in your trust the best and safest long-term returns. Therefore, friends, I would like to emphasize that our approach is of finding long-term and sustainable solutions for issues. Such an approach mixes very well with your requirement. Let me explain using a few examples. Friends, we have taken multiple initiatives to improve our manufacturing potential. We ushered in one nation and one tax system in the form of GST. One of the lowest corporate tax rates and an aided incentive for new manufacturing. Faceless regime for income tax assessment and appeal. A new labor laws regime balancing the welfare of workers and ease of doing business for the employers. Production-linked incentive schemes in specific sectors. An empowered institutional arrangement to handhold investors. Friends, we have an ambitious plan to invest $1.5 trillion under the National Infrastructure Pipeline. A pioneering multimodal connectivity infrastructure master plan is being finalized. India has embarked on a massive infrastructure building spree of highways, railways, metros, waterways, airports across the country. We are building millions of affordable houses for the new middle class. We want investment not just in big cities, but smaller cities and towns too. GIFT City in Gujarat is a good example of that. We are implementing mission mode schemes for development of such cities. Friends, just like our strategy for strengthening manufacturing base and for building world-class infrastructure, our strategy for financial sector has also been holistic. Some of the major steps undertaken by us include comprehensive banking sector reforms, strengthening of financial markets, unified authority for the international financial service centers, one of the most liberal FDI regime, a benign tax regime for foreign capital, suitable policy regime for investment vehicles like infrastructure investment trust and real estate investment trusts. Implementation of insolvency and bankruptcy code. Financial empowerment through direct benefit transfer and fintech-based payment system like RuPay cards and Beam UPI.